Hello all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're going to be showing off what we call switches in Python. So match and case, with most of the little nuances you can do inside of that bracket of code called switches. And they work effectively like if statements. And what they will do, right? What they will do, we need to make it first. But you'll put match and then whatever your data is, be that actual data or a variable, and then case, right? Case. And then whatever you want it to match to. So if it matches hello, you return hello. And if it matches goodbye, we return goodbye. Right? Let's see. Our data equals hello, so it returns hello. If it equals goodbye, it will return goodbye. As you can see. Now, so we can see if, elif, but what else? Well, it's easy. It's an underscore. Case underscore worked as an else. Right, and we'll have it output as such. So we'll just make this a empty string. And it returns works as an else. Now, in case, you might think, oh, what about doubling up if statements, or and. You can also add that in. So, case, do two examples. We'll change our data type to an integer for here. So case 1, then you'll need just what looks like an upward slash, and 2. Right. We'll do 1, 2, and then 3, 4. And we each have them print whatever the input is. Not whatever the input is, but the string of the inputs. So data equals 1, returns 12. So data equals 3, returns 34. Data equals 2, so returns 12. And finally, if data equals 4, still returns 34. And there is one last thing you can do. You can use it with guard statements. So we'll change the data that's going into our match to data, and now we can do a guard statement, which is adding in an if. So case, bracket, then whatever you want the data to match. So data, and then if data equals 4, let's say, we'll print 4 data. And then remove the guard statement. So case data. We'll just print data. Let's see. As you can see, guard statement went through and it printed 4 data. We make that 3. Just returning data. So yeah. Seems about good. Thank you all very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed and learned something, and if you did learn something, please comment and tell me how you learned it, because I'll try and adapt my videos to make it easier for people to learn. And if you did learn it or enjoy it, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps me a ton. Thank you very much.